Before buying an iPad case, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many cases claim to protect, but only a few truly deliver the quality and features that count. Product number 1, ProCase Slim Smart Cover. First up is the ProCase for the iPad 9th, 8th, and 7th generation. Priced at just $8.99, this case stands out for its slim, lightweight design that doesn't add bulk to your device. If you want a low-profile case that still offers protection, this is worth a serious look. This case is specifically designed for the 10.2-inch models, ensuring a snug fit without blocking any ports or buttons. It features an auto sleep-wake function, which means your iPad wakes up when you open the cover and sleeps when you close it. This not only saves battery life but also adds convenience. The translucent frosted back lets you show off your Apple logo while protecting against fingerprints and scratches. With 4.5 stars from over 178,000 reviews, users appreciate its balance of style and functionality. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a case that prioritizes portability and basic protection, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a slim, budget-friendly option that still protects your iPad. Skip this one if you need a keyboard case or extra rugged protection. For the price, it's hard to beat this offering from ProCase. Now, if you're looking for something with full-body protection, the next option might be more up your alley. Product number 2, Soak Rugged Full Body Case. Next, we have the Soak case, priced at $15.99. What drew me to this one is its rugged design that promises full-body protection. If you want something that can withstand daily wear and tear, this case is worth considering. This case features a multi-layered hard PC back with a flexible TPU bumper, providing a robust shield against drops and impacts. It includes a built-in screen protector that keeps your display scratch-free while maintaining touch sensitivity. The dual-angle kickstand is a game changer, allowing you to watch movies or work hands-free. This product boasts an impressive rating of 4.6 stars from around 3,800 reviews, with many users praising its durability. However, some users found it a bit bulky and heavy, which can be a concern for those seeking a lightweight solution. But here's my take. If you're someone who values sturdiness over weight, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This case is perfect for those who are prone to dropping their devices or need extra protection while traveling. Skip this if you prefer a slim profile for portability. It offers solid value for the level of protection it provides. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list offers some unique features that might catch your interest. Product number 3, Acard's Case with Pencil Holder. Coming in at $8.99, the Acard's case is designed for those who want a stylish yet protective cover. The sky blue color caught my eye right away. If you're looking for a case that offers both functionality and flair, this is definitely worth checking out. What really stands out is its built-in pencil holder, which is perfect if you're using Apple Pencil. The case is made from durable PU leather and TPU, providing excellent protection from drops and scratches while still being soft to the touch. The auto sleep-wake feature helps save battery life, and the trifold stand offers 2 viewing angles, making it versatile for both work and play. With a 4.6-star rating from over 38,000 reviews, many users love the protection and style it brings. Now, some users mention that the stand can be a bit wobbly at times. Here's the thing though, if you're just using it on a stable surface, it shouldn't be a big issue. This case is perfect for anyone who wants a colorful, protective case that fits their Apple Pencil. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty case. For the price, it offers great quality and functionality. If you need something a bit more sophisticated, the next option is designed with professionals in mind. Product number 4, iMeet Case with Multi-Angle Viewing. Next up is the iMeet case, available for $19.99. This case immediately struck me with its sleek pink design. If you want a more elegant look while keeping your device secure, this is worth a serious look. It's designed for the latest 11-inch models, but offers great protection with its high-quality TPU material. Plus, the auto sleep-wake feature saves battery life while ensuring your iPad is always ready for use. The multi-angle viewing options are particularly useful for presentations or watching videos comfortably. With a 4.6-star rating and around 7,400 reviews, users appreciate its stylish appearance and functionality. However, some found that it doesn't fit older models, which can be disappointing. This case is perfect for professionals or students who want a blend of style and protection. Skip this if you own an older model, as it won't fit. It's a bit pricier but offers great quality. Now let's take a look at our final option, which brings a fun twist to protection. Product number 5, Finty Slim Shell Case. Finally, we have the Finty Slim Shell Case, priced at $9.99. The composition book design is quirky and fun. If you want a case that looks different while still protecting your device, you should consider this one. This case is specifically designed for the iPad 9th, 8th, and 7th generations. It features a soft TPU back that protects against shocks and drops while providing a comfortable grip. The built-in Apple Pencil holder is a nice touch for easy access. The cover automatically wakes up or sleeps your device, which is convenient for everyday use. With a 4.7-star rating based on 18,700 reviews, users love its unique design and practical features. However, some users mention that the one-piece design could be cumbersome for those who prefer a detachable front. Here's the thing, if you're okay with a full cover that stays put, then this won't bother you. This case is perfect for anyone who wants a fun design with solid protection. Skip this one if you need a detachable front for easy access. It's affordable and stylish, making it a great choice overall. So there you have it. From the slim and stylish Pro case to the rugged Soak, the functional Accords, the elegant iMeet, and the fun Finty Slim Shell, each one offers something unique. Think about what features matter most to you and pick the case that fits your style and needs.